Honey, could I go see the feral stray cats by the Caroni Bird Sanctuary?
But why? We have to pick it up now, you know.
I think it would be nice to see the nice feral stray cats at the Caroni Bird Sanctuary.
Nah,
So I want to go.
No.
I'm not looking right there.
Alright, just passing fast and pass right back out, right?
Okay. Look, one.
You see one?
Yeah, I see one. Oh, look at the next one.
Look two.
Look where.
One there and look two sleeping there.
Wow. Wow.
Well, someone's feeding them. You want to take one?
No, of course not.
Good. Here you go. To here fast then. Before you change your mind.